What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We're going to do yet again another NASCAR throwback today. This one is going to be a little bit tricky. I wanted to make this car for a little bit and came up with somewhat of a variation of it, but it's not spot on. But we're going to be making Kyle Petty's Hot Wheels car. Now, there was two different color schemes that you could have used, and his car was a Pontiac, so I'm going to do it initially as a Chevy and then jump over to a Toyota so you guys can see both. But we're going to run the same scheme setup that we did for Mark Martin. So in this paint scheme, he had one version which was a little bit lighter of a blue, and then another variation which was a darker blue. So the lighter variation of blue, I think we're going to run with this. So this is where it becomes like kind of complicated to try to figure this out, right? Because you're stuck with these paint schemes and you're like, okay, well, from this angle it's like, okay, shit, what do I do? So what we do here is we're going to change this red to that blue. I guess we can change this number down to 44 while. Head all the way down to 44. Pick a number combo that looks similar to what he would have ran, which is more along the lines of like this. And his outline looks like it was red. So we're going to run with red. You might have to change the color of that a little bit. So, also the wheel colors are red, bright friggin' red. Spoiler color matched the rest of the car. So this is where it becomes interesting. So in the lighter version, he ran like an orange with a red outline, and the colors were not too terribly far off from each other, which makes it kind of complicated to try to distinctly tell the colors. Like that, to me, that looks too close to the exact color, so we're going to change this down to a lighter and do it that way, and run the orange that way. Not sure how I like that. Maybe we switch them up and put the red and then maybe the orange. No, we'll keep it the way that we had it. Then sponsors, obviously Hot Wheels was a massive red, white, and yellow and orange decal on the hood. I think I wanted to run with CorvetteParts.net, which I would never normally run that, and then on the side you can run whatever. We will run Eris on the side for shits and giggles, and then we'll go back to Corvette Parts because it's got that orange in it. His deck lid was actually blank in some of them, and then other times he had something with a little bit of red, so we might find something with a little bit of red in it. Let's see. Very cool. Then on the back, going back to CorvetteParts.com. So that's one. I'm not necessarily a huge fan of how that looks, but it is what it is. Let's change it to a Toyota. Save. Change it to a Toyota so you guys can see it on a Toyota. Hopefully it didn't change my stuff too much. Right, so there's one. Now the other one was a darker blue that he ran, which you can run it with that one, or even this one. I'm more of a fan of the darker paint there. Like I said, this one was tough because it's like not spot on at all. But let's see if there's any of his other cars that we can make. Ah, yes. How could I forget about that? I think you guys already know what was coming up next. That is the Mellow Yellow. We're gonna put the outline in black just for right now. Go over to the very simplistic paint scheme. Pretty sure it's this one. And we will run black. Wheels were black as well. Spoiler, I'm gonna make that black. Little line in the middle here. Make that red. And down on the bottom, making the bottom a slime green. And then for our sponsors, trying to find something to match. Might be a challenge. So we're just gonna go with whatever we think looks good. We'll remember Brothers Pizza. I think we're ultimately gonna run Brothers Pizza. You can run Mountain Dew if you want to, but I personally am not going to. I think we're gonna go back to where we were with Hunt Brothers. And then on the side, we'll just, well, no, he had black down here on the bottom, so we'll put something black. Go to Smithfield. Go to Hunt Brothers. Boom. Deck lid. Guess we can leave Rico, and then on the back, running Hunt Brothers again. And there's your mellow yellow car. We can change the layout of the numbers. Wow, those are really terrible looking. What's wrong with that? So right there is 3 different paint schemes. See if there's one more that we can make on here. Highly doubt it. We can attempt. No, I'm not gonna attempt it. I think that's just about it. I think the only other one that I might try was back in the day when he drove. Let's see where it was. The number 21 Sicko car, which was a Ford. Back when he drove the number 21 Sicko Ford, it was a white car with blue and white in it. But I don't think something is going to mock up as nice as I wanted to for that paint scheme. No, that ain't going to work. Looking at it now, it's just not going to work. Anyway, guys, if this was your first time watching a video on the channel, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button down below. Join us on our journey to 10,000 subscribers. Comment for who you would like to see me attempt to make next. And don't forget, if you use these paint schemes, drop it in the comment section down below that you're running it, because I want to see how many people are actually using this stuff. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.